Brandon, Nick, what's going on here today, man?
Not much, just can't wait to jump.
Getting ready to jump out of a plane?
Yep.
So, what you out here for? What are we doing?
And
Why are
I
you doing
just
this?
want to just go in and, you know, have some fun. I want to do it more than once.
Awesome, awesome. So this is your idea?
Yep, this is my birthday present.
Okay, happy late birthday, I guess.
Late birthday, yeah.
Late birthday, awesome, man. Well, so everything was terribly wrong. All you have is yourself to blame.
Yep.
So you're fully geared up. That means I'm assuming you've met your instructor.
Yep.
You trust him?
Yes, sir.
Did you see his license to take you on the skydive?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. I like it, man. Good attitude. Good attitude. Family and friends know about you doing this?
Yep, all of them do.
All of them? They think you're crazy?
Yep.
Oh, they're missing out, man. They should be out there with us. Well, do you have any final words of friends and family that aren't here right now that are going to watch this?
I'll see y'all soon.
All right, man. Next time I see you and your instructor, we're on our way to the plane.
All right.
Push to start. Yeah. You know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah. Screaming that's nothing. When I pulled off the lot, that's done. Up in my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds. I'm in black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Got a call from my jeweler, this just in. And bitches love me cause I'm fucking with their best friends. Not a lesbian, but she a freak though. This ain't for one night, I'm shining all week, ho. I'm sipping Clico and rocking yellow diamonds. So many rocks up in my watch, I can't tell what the time is. Got a pocket full of big faces. Throw it up cause every nigga that I'm with Taylor. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's nothing. When I pulled off the lot, that's done. Up in my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
What's up, man?
What's up?
How you liking the plane ride?
It's fun, man. I can't wait.
You ready to do this?
I can't wait to jump out of this perfectly fun airplane.
It's not perfectly good. That's why we're getting out of
Yeah,
here.
good.
Got any final words before we leave this word?
No, here we go.
Here we go. Next time I see you folks, we're going to be in a free fall.
Yeah. Oh, you already know what we gonna do. Hey. Well, if you guessing it's me, you guessed correctly. I just stay with a stallion. You would swear I was an equestrian. I'm a hitter with that pipe. Call that Nancy Kerrigan. Stay on the greenest greens. Call us vegetarians. You be on that minor league, but we smoke professionally. I do my job exceptionally. On point like a decimalist. The way I ride on the beat, man, I beat up the street. It's done so effortlessly. Yeah, so this can't sleep on me. There's no inception in this. I'm top chef, you top ramen, I'm top shelf. No last call, tell the bartender what you got left. Pour it up, don't stop there. Hold your cup, take a shot, yeah. All night we celebrate, cause we everywhere and you not there. Ha. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out.
That's all we do, that's all we do.
And all we do is light it up, all night. All you see is strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds. Yeah. All we do is pour it up, all night, drinks out.
That's all we do.
And all we do is light it up all night. All you see is strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Strange clouds.
Blue jeans, I'm faded, minding my own data, smoking on that strong, that Arnold Schwarzenegger. Essentially, you hot as an igloo. Kick back on that Glock, call that jujitsu. Hello world, I'm with a yellow girl, number 2 pencil. These rappers is washed up, spin cycle, rinse you my all day, all night, half pipe. I dive in that so yeah, I belly flop, I jackknife and shoot. Tell my homies that I say it's a party. Yeah, got that tech for technical difficulties. I'm top dog, you top ramen, I'm top dog. Pyru, gangsters, outlaws.
Welcome back to Planet Earth, man. Hop on up here, man. You are free. How was that, dude?
That was probably the most fun I've ever had. That was awesome.
So you're going to do it again, I'm assuming, man?
Yeah, easily.
What was your favorite part?
Jumping out of the plane, getting that.
The initial jump out, give me a high five, man. You jumped out of a plane. Give him a high five, he saved your life. Let's get some photos. Get in there, proof of life.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much for coming out to Skydive Atlanta, man. Woo!